This video by The Daily Eco is your one-stop guide to caring for the ever-popular spider plant, also known as a ribbon plant. So, let's get started. Ideal temperature. Spider plants are quite forgiving when it comes to temperature, within a certain range. The ideal temperature falls between 7 and 27 degrees Celsius. However, they are not frost tolerant and struggle in cold climates. This is why they are commonly grown indoors in pots or hanging planters. Temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius can severely damage or even kill the plant. Also, while they thrive up to 20 degrees Celsius, extreme heat can also require additional care. This may involve more frequent watering or misting the leaves to maintain adequate moisture. Recommended location and light. Spider plants prefer the gentle touch of indirect sunlight. They flourish in semi-shaded areas with mild temperatures. Indoors, find a bright room that offers diffused light, not harsh direct sun. Consistent temperature is key, so avoid spots near air conditioners or heaters that cause sudden temperature swings. Outdoors, keep your spider plant happy in a semi-shaded location. Look for areas protected from the strong midday sun, especially during the hottest hours of the day. Prolonged exposure to intense sunlight can scorch the leaves. Proper watering. Water it abundantly 2 times a week in summer and once in winter. Spider plants don't like streams. Too wet or too dry can be stressful, so aim for consistent, moderate moisture, not soggy soil. During warm months, water your plant truly twice a week. Remember, this doesn't mean flooding the pot. Spider plants have tuberous roots that store water, so it is very important that you avoid overwatering. In cooler weather, reduce watering to once a week or every 10 days. However, it is always important to observe your plant. Adjust watering frequency based on the soil moisture level and your specific climate. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. How many types of spider plants are there? 50, 100, 200. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Recommended substrate and fertilizer. Spider plants aren't picky eaters, but good drainage is essential. Use a well-draining potting mix to prevent water from accumulating around the roots. If you're feeling creative, try a mix of coconut fiber, peat moss, and vermiculite. Spider plants don't require yearly feeding, but a boost can promote healthy growth. Worm castings and other organic slow-release fertilizers can be added to the potting mix or used as a top dressing every 15 days during warm months. Reproduction. The best thing is to reproduce it through its offspring. These plants reproduce easily through their offspring, also known as spiderets. These baby plants appear on long, white stalks hanging from the mother plant. So here's how to propagate. Look for the baby plants dangling from white runners. If you don't plan on propagating, you can carefully snip off the spiderets to redirect the plant's energy towards itself. Choose a small pot and gently bury the base of the spideret in a fresh potting mix. Once the spideret has established roots, you can snip the connection stem and voila, a brand new spider plant. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? Well, the correct answer is C. There are more than 200 different species of spider plant. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.